Hello and welcome to this video. My name is David Oisamoje. Thanks for joining me. If you're just joining for the first time, I say welcome to my channel. My channel is all about creating designs. We're talking about print on demand designs that make you passive income. Yes, before you click off, I just want to tell you that's all my channel is about. If you want to learn how to make passive income while you stay home from print on demand, then my channel is all about creating this inspirational design for you. I don't want to waste time with this one, so I'm going to go straight right into it. I would advise you not to click off of this video. Watch to the very end. I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro free for 30 days. Yes, you heard me right. It's a gift from me to you for watching that long. So I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro free from me to you. So yes, let's go straight right into it. I'm going to be using canva.com for my design. So make sure you watch to the very end. Make sure you watch to the very end. Let's get straight right into this video. Yeah. If you're excited, let's do this. Let's do this. If you're excited, let's do this. So let's create a new design. Custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400. Don't click off. Don't click off. I know some of you want to do that, but I always advise you watch every tutorial of mine from beginning to the end. It might just be something different at the end. It might just be a quick fix at the end. It might just be a change of elements in some places in the video. So always watch to the end. So let's create this design. So it opens on a new tab. It's going to be a very simple design. Yes, we're in the summer. Halloween is coming, the holiday is coming, Thanksgiving is coming, Christmas is coming. So my design is going to be based around this period, this season. So make sure you stick around. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you've not done that. Once again, so for element, I'm going to do winch. So let's do winch. Yes, you heard me right. So let's find a cool looking. Yeah, this is a pro element. I'm going to show you how to get that if you've not gotten that for yourself. So now we have this element. So let's just increase the size. So to do that, you move your cursor to this edge or any of these four edges. Just make sure your cursor is there. It gives you that double arrow you see in black. So you press your left mouse click button, move your mouse cursor in and out to reduce the or increase the size. So we are increasing the size in this case. So now we have that. So now we'll just position this right about there. So now we're just going to bring in our text. Now that we have it says we have the width. So let's increase the width. Yes. So now we're just going to move around to get it perfectly in line. So now I'm happy with where it is right now. So I'm just going to go to text. Just going to go to text and go to this one. So you see it's quite small as you can see. So to increase that, we just do this. Just go do 140. Yes, so that we can see it and move it up a bit. Move it up a bit. So we just increase that. So let's do like so. Control A to highlight all. So this one is going to say perfectly. Okay, now we have that. So we're just going to do Control A to highlight that. I want to change the font because I don't want it to be that easy of a font. So let's see if we can get one. Remember, there are also some pro fonts you can see. If you check, you see that there are also some pro font by the crown. You know they are pro fonts. So now we're just gonna move. Maybe I should use this. Yes, okay. So let's increase this a bit. Just the way you increase the image is the same way you're gonna increase this. So it says perfectly. Okay, so I'll just move this up a bit. I'm duplicating this one. I'm putting it just right under this. So let's do that. So to do that, you're going to click on your Alt key button, your left mouse click button, and you drag your mouse downwards, just like so. So now we'll double tap and we'll do wicked. So let's do that. So now you see we have that, and we can do the apostrophe to make it well known. So it says perfectly wicked. So now we can decide to change the colors around. You go to color palette. As you can see, you can decide to change the color to match any of this or to match the air or something. Well, for me, I think I can leave it like this, but to make sure it matches more, I'll just change the color to something close to that. Okay, let's see if we can get something close. I would have preferred something close to the cloth or the air, so let's do the air that way. Okay. So now we have that says perfectly wicked. So we can do that just like so. Just like so, you can see. So it says perfectly wicked. It didn't take us much time. If you want to get Canva Pro, just make sure you watch my last video before this particular one. Make sure you watch that video. There's a link there in the description that says Canva Pro for 30 days. Make sure you click on that link, subscribe. Click on that link and sign up just immediately so that you can get that for yourself. As you can see, this did not take us much time. This is about 6 minutes. We are 6 minutes into this video. So you can see how easy it is to create this design. So now I would like to add a little element before I show you how to get rid of the white background. You need Pro version to get rid of the white background so you know from beginning. So now I'll just go back to elements, and as usual, which I'll just do the Pro. Yes, I'm on Canva Pro, so I can do this for myself. So I'm just going to do this and find a cap or something. Okay. So this cap will do. So I can just move it around, reduce it as I've showed you. Move your cursor to this edge, press down your left mouse click button and just do like so. So now we have that. Okay, so I'm just going to move this around. I'll prefer it to be here, so I'll just move this to this edge like so and reduce it drastically because I just want it to look like it's sitting on top of the P. Okay, so now I'm going to right click and move it forward just like that. So now if you see it's moved forward, and I'll just move it like so with my arrow keys on my keyboard, and you can see it says perfectly wicked. So now I'm going to show you how to get rid of the white background, because if you're serious about print on demand, you definitely don't want the white background in your design. So to do that, you click on downloads, transparent background, and now you can just click on the download button. It's going to prepare your download and it's going to download that straight away for you. And once you're done downloading, make sure you always cross check to make sure it downloaded and it's not giving you any error messages. So now we can go show folder and check for ourselves to make sure we have it perfectly aligned where we want it. As you can see, it says perfectly wicked, and this is our design. It came without the white background. Yes, it's as simple as that, not so complicated as people make design look. Print on demand is easy. Just keep making these designs daily and keep uploading to sites like Redbubble, Public, Teespring, Match by Amazon, and you just need about 10 to 12 minutes of your time daily to get these designs out, and you are good to go. With Canva Pro, you can see you can get Pro element. This Pro element, you can mix it around with your own different designs to make it unique, and you are good to go. There's nothing to be scared about. Just make sure you mix it around and you're definitely good to go. Yes, you heard me right. You're definitely good to go. You can see how much of elements they have going in Canva. So this is one reason why you need Canva Pro. So make sure you watch my previous video. There's a link in the description. Make sure you check that link, and the very first link in the description. Yes, the very first link in the description. Click on that link. It's going to open on a new tab. Make sure you sign up straight away. Yes, they're not going to take your money. You're going to get Canva Pro straight away for a full 30 days. Yes, that's a gift for me. So if you watch to this very end, I just want to say thank you. I really appreciate you guys. You guys have been amazing. With that said, to your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist. And I, David Oisamoje, will see you on the next video. Stay safe. One love.